Imagine this. You're cooking a delicious pasta sauce and you reach for a bulb of garlic. But this isn't just any garlic. This garlic is special because you grew it yourself. It's fresh, flavorful, and oh so satisfying. There's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown garlic. It's more pungent and flavorful than anything you can find in the supermarket. Plus, it's incredibly rewarding to grow your own food. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment knowing you nurtured these delicious bulbs from tiny cloves. Growing garlic is easier than you might think. It's a low-maintenance crop that thrives with minimal fuss. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a small patio, you can cultivate a thriving garlic patch. Don't worry if you're new to gardening. This guide will walk you through every step from planting to harvest. Get ready to enjoy the unparalleled flavor and satisfaction of homegrown garlic. It's a culinary adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and inspire your inner gardener. Soon, you'll be whipping up culinary masterpieces with your very own garlic. Your friends will be amazed by your green thumb, and you'll be beaming with pride knowing you grew this amazing ingredient yourself. So let's get started on this exciting garlic growing journey. You'll be surprised how simple and rewarding it can be. And the best part, you'll have a plentiful supply of delicious garlic to elevate your cooking to new heights. Get ready to savor the taste of success with every bite. Fall is the best time to plant garlic. This gives the cloves time to develop strong roots before winter arrives. Aim to plant your garlic about 4 to 6 weeks before the ground freezes. This usually falls between September and November in most regions, but check with your local gardening center for the ideal timing in your area. Garlic prefers well-drained soil that's rich in organic matter. Before planting, amend your soil with compost or aged manure. This will provide essential nutrients for your growing garlic. Choose a sunny spot for your garlic patch. Garlic needs at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Separate your garlic bulb into individual cloves. Don't peel the cloves. Plant the cloves pointy end up, about 2 to 3 inches deep and 4 to 6 inches apart. Water your newly planted garlic well and keep the soil moist. Soon, your garlic will start to grow. You'll see green shoots emerge from the soil. Now, the waiting game begins. But don't worry, your garlic is working hard underground, developing a strong root system. Garlic is a relatively low-maintenance crop, but a little care goes a long way in ensuring a bountiful harvest. Water your garlic regularly, especially during dry spells. Aim for about an inch of water per week. Mulching around your garlic plants helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Use straw, shredded leaves, or wood chips as mulch. In winter, your garlic patch may need some extra protection. If you live in a region with harsh winters, consider adding a layer of mulch for insulation. This will help prevent the ground from freezing solid. Garlic doesn't require much fertilization, but a light feeding with a balanced fertilizer in early spring can be beneficial. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Garlic is generally quite resilient, but it's always good to be vigilant. As summer approaches, your garlic will start to mature. You'll notice the leaves turning yellow and brown. This is a sign that your garlic is ready for harvest. Gently loosen the soil around the bulbs with a garden fork. Carefully lift the garlic bulbs from the ground. Brush off any excess soil and let the bulbs cure in a cool, dry place for a few weeks. Once cured, you can store your garlic in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated area. There are a few ways to store your garlic. You can braid the stems together and hang them, or you can trim the stems and store the bulbs in a mesh bag or basket. Properly stored garlic can last for several months. And with your own homegrown supply, you'll have plenty of garlic to enjoy all year round. Now you can revel in the fruits of your labor. Every time you use your homegrown garlic, you'll be reminded of the joy of gardening. Growing garlic is more than just a way to stock your pantry. It's a deeply satisfying experience that connects you with nature and the rhythms of the seasons. As you nurture your garlic plants, you'll develop a deeper appreciation for the food you eat. You'll understand the effort and care that goes into growing this flavorful ingredient. Garlic gardening is also a wonderful way to relieve stress and get some fresh air and exercise. There's something incredibly therapeutic about working with your hands in the soil, and the anticipation of a bountiful harvest is a powerful motivator. Plus, you'll be proud to share your homegrown garlic with friends and family. It's a gift that comes from the heart and speaks volumes about your passion for gardening. So embrace the joys of garlic gardening. Congratulations! You've embarked on a rewarding journey of growing your own garlic. From planting those tiny cloves to harvesting plump, flavorful bulbs, you've experienced the magic of gardening firsthand. Now your kitchen will be filled with the irresistible aroma of homegrown garlic. Your culinary creations will reach new heights of flavor, and you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you grew this amazing ingredient yourself. Garlic gardening is a simple pleasure that brings immense rewards. So keep nurturing your garden, experiment with different varieties of garlic, and share your passion with others. The world needs more garlic gardeners. And remember, the joy of gardening is not just about the end product, but also about the journey. So relish every step from planting to harvest and savor the taste of success with every clove of your homegrown garlic.